Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's problem statement is find the largest of two numbers. So here I already created the class comparison operations, and inside the class I created one method largest number, and it's a static method, and it returns integer value. So the integer value is the largest number. Here we return the largest number from this method. So let's start. Here is only two steps. First step is take two inputs from user. And step two is compare them and return the largest number. Compare them and return the largest number. That's it. It's a simple program. If you know comparison operators, you can skip this. So let's start first. We get the inputs from the user using scanner class. Scanner, scan object name, new scanner, system.in. Okay. Now we need to take the input from the user, the integer input. Before that, just print the message system.out.println, enter number 1 and take the input from the user next int. It's an integer number, so we need to store it to the integer data type. Number 1 is the variable name, and we need another number. So again, system.out.println, enter number 2 and take this input, store it into the integer number 2 variable name. Now we have two integer numbers. So next, compare them using if condition and comparison operators. Number 1 greater than number 2, just return the number 1, because here we just return the largest number. Else return number 2. That's it. So the main code is here is number 1 and number 2. Number 1 greater than number 2. That means the number 1 is greater than number 2. So just we return number 1, else number 2. So here just print, just call that method using class name dot largest number. Also it will return the integer, so here we just need to print system.out.println. So now run the program. See here it asking enter number 1. I just enter 121. The number 2 is 131. So 131 is the largest number. Just see what it will return. 131. Correct. Again I run the program. Enter number 1 is 2. Number 2 is 1. The largest number is 2. So it's print 2. Okay. Also you can check here is the smallest number. Only you can change here is greater than to less than. Here what does this mean? Number 1 less than number 2, return number 1, else number 2. Just run this code. Now it will print the smallest number. So I just gave 131. Number 2 is 720. So here the smallest number is 131. So it's written 131, right? Yeah, that's it. So it's a simple program. You just concentrate on the greater than and less than operator. You can also take three numbers and print them. Print the what is the number is largest and smallest. So you can use if else conditions. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.